everyone! Welcome to our vlog in Caraga. Ngayon, sama-sama tayong tuklasin ang isa sa pinakamaganda at mayamang rehiyon sa kultura dito sa Pilipinas, ang Caraga Region 13.
At alam niyo ba, ang Caraga ay matatagpuan sa northern east part of Mindanao at ito ay nabubuo ng 5 provinces: Agusan del Norte, Agusan del Sur, Surigao del Norte, Surigao del Sur at last ang Dinagat Island.
Experience the natural splendor of Caraga in the Philippines, where breathtaking beaches, verdant jungles, and a lively local culture come together to create an amazing travel destination. Plan your adventure right now.
Also, the Caraga means the land of the brave and the beautiful. The name came from Calag, means soul and spirit.
Like what I just said, Caraga is the only region in Mindanao that faces the Pacific Ocean. And the Balangay boats found in Butuan are the proof that our ancestors were expert sailors. Plus, Agusan River is the longest river in Mindanao.
Saksi ang langit sa mga mata kong anigil ka.
Alam niyo ba na ang salitang pahinungod ay nangangahulugang offering and dedication? Taon-taon, ang mga taga-Caraga ay nagtitipon upang magbigay ng pasasalamat sa Diyos sa mga natatanggap nilang biyaya.
With its stunning geography and rich heritage, Caraga is truly a hidden gem.
Next, let's experience Caraga through music and dancing.
Stay tuned only here in Travel Caraga.
Ikaw magduha-duha o ikang kung mahulog ka, andam kung mahulog upan, di sana sa taladon, nining panahon.
For the next clip, you will see the performing arts of Caraga.
Si Pilimon, namasol sa kadagatan, nakakuha, o isdang tambasakan. Gibaligya, sa merkadong buba, ang alis puro kura, igulang ipano ba?
Ang halin pulos kura, igulang ipano ba? Si Pelimon, namasul sa kadagatan, nakakuha, o isdang tambasakan. Kibaligya, sa merkadong gupa, ang halin pulos kura, igulang ipano ba?
Next is the region's favorite dish.
Ako ang dalangpan, ako imong tamin o ginagiban, luyo nining tanan. O kung may klaro man ang kalibutan, ikaw magduha-duhaong kikang. Kung mahulog ka, andam kung mahulog uban. Sana sa tadarong nining panahon. Ipanong bagong ikabihan, kung parang tagpuan ka na. Ipanong bagong idugo bumuhin, ang kinabuhi ko kanino lang. Ipanumpakong di tikabihan. Ipanumpakong
Come and experience the magic of Caraga, where every moment is an opportunity for discovery. Your adventure awaits here.
You will see the costume and tradition.
Hi everyone! Welcome to Travel in Caraga!
Today, we will take you to one of the most joyful traditions in our region, the Pahinungod Festival of Surigao del Sur.
It's a time of Thanksgiving when people dance, offer food, and celebrate the blessing of land and sea.
And last, we'll show you the cultural heritage of Caraga.
Treasure of the past, pride of the present. Alam nyo ba na ang Caraga ay hindi lang basta isang lugar na matatagpuan sa Region 13? It is a home of historical treasure too. The Balangay boats of Butuan are ancient vessels providing Filipinos were expert sailors even before colonization. These boats symbolize unity, bravery, and discovery. Another treasure is Mount Hilong-Hilong, one of the Mindanao's tallest peaks representing strength and endurance. From ancient Balangay to mighty Hilong-Hilong, Caraga spirits continue to rise high.
That's the end of our journey to Caraga region, the land of brave and the beautiful. Thank you all for watching.
Mabuhay!
Susi ang langit sa mga mata kong